Hi and welcome in Lab 8. And today I'm gonna walk you through two applications. The first one is background threads and the other one is the stopwatch. The first one is the background threads. This is my code for the thread. I have added the start click event. I have added this touch where the start button disabled when it's running. The other option that I couldn't figure out, and I've searched on the book and I've looked through the other apps. I was trying to figure it out, but it didn't work with me. So my only issue is the stop button. I couldn't figure out what's wrong with the stop button, uh, but everything else is working just great. I'm just waiting for the application to run. And here's the application with the two buttons. First one, obviously, start the application. I start copying every second. Um, on the lab, on the word, it was saying every half second, but I found that it's too fast. I couldn't. I decided to just go with the 1 second, but I can just change this to 500, and it will go every half second. But as I said, the stop button, I couldn't figure out what to do with it, so the stop button doesn't work. And for the other application, I have here the stopwatch, and this is the code for the stopwatch, and it was uh, fun to work with. I've learned a couple things, especially with the buttons, disabling and enabling the buttons. I'm just waiting for the application. Now, this is the application, and it's work very good with no issue. When I hit stop, it stops, reset, and to reset, then start again, it will start again. Thank you. That's it for today.